Do you feel like you were losing money for no reason? Do you feel like you don't know where all your money went? You know you had some money, but without even realizing you had spent it all on this and that, and next thing you know, you had lost all your money? There are various reasons why people lose money, and from a Feng Shui perspective, it often stems from bad Feng Shui in the home. If your house has the following types of layouts, you need to address them as soon as possible to prevent financial loss. But first, please like and subscribe to receive more Feng Shui tips that help you enhance your wealth and happiness. Number 1. The front door directly opposite the stairs. Let's discuss a common Feng Shui issue, having the front door directly opposite the stairs. We know that the front door is where qi or energy enters the home. For wealth luck to enter through the main entrance and flow smoothly throughout your home, the layout needs to be supportive. However, if your front entrance directly faces the stairs, this arrangement is detrimental to wealth luck. The positive energy, which should circulate and enrich your home, will instead be quickly swept away by the strong energy descending the stairs. Consequently, the wealth energy will diminish, and good fortune will flow out of the house rapidly. Then what can you do to remedy this layout? There are 2 quick fixes. First, install a threshold at the front door. If you are doing a renovation, installing a door to divide the area of the entryway from the rest of the house would be ideal. This will block the energy from flowing out. But if a major renovation like that is not in your budget, there is second and much easier fix. That second fix is to place a doormat inside your front door. The doormat will help retain positive energy within your home and reduce the chances of financial loss. If you want to get a new doormat, we explained the Feng Shui effects of different colored doormats in our earlier video on entryway Feng Shui. We will link that video at the end of this one, so please check it out. Number 2. The front door aligning with back door or window. The second type of problematic layout is when the front door aligns with the back door or a back window. This configuration, known as trenching or heart-piercing shot, is considered unfavorable for wealth in Feng Shui. When positive energy or qi enters your home through the front door, it should circulate slowly throughout the house to bring prosperity. However, if the front door is directly aligned with the back door or a window, the energy will quickly escape, flowing straight out the back. This setup violates the Feng Shui principle of hiding wind and gathering qi. A household with this type of layout often experiences a situation where money comes in, but just as quickly flows out, making it difficult to retain wealth. Additionally, this layout can negatively impact the health of the residents. To remedy this layout, place a screen or tall plants near the front door to block the direct flow of energy out of the house. This adjustment helps retain positive energy, encouraging financial stability and improving the health of those living in the home. Third, too many doors and windows. Third, let's talk about the issue of having too many doors and windows in your home. Many people prefer rooms with lots of windows because they are bright and inviting, especially in the living room. However, from a Feng Shui perspective, this can be detrimental to wealth. Too much yang energy in the living room disrupts the balance between yin and yang. An excess of doors and windows can destroy the peaceful qi in your home, allowing money energy to escape easily. Without the ability to retain positive energy, both the financial and health aspects of your home can suffer. To remedy this problem and prevent positive energy from flowing out too quickly, you can do 2 things. First, hang curtains or install blinds or shutters to balance yin and yang. This one is rather obvious, but many people forget how effective this can be. Use the curtains and blinds, and don't always leave them open. They will create a temporary wall to help retain the energy in your house. Second, and more unusual remedy is to hang a gourd next to your window to help collect wealth energy. In Feng Shui, the gourd is a traditional symbol of health, longevity, and prosperity. In fact, the word for bottle-shaped gourd in Chinese, hulu, is such a symbol of wealth and good fortune that when some entrepreneurs were looking for a name for the streaming service, they picked the name Hulu for their new company. In Feng Shui practice, the gourd is used for various purposes, including to attract and retain wealth energy. Its hollow interior is thought to hold and accumulate positive qi, making it a symbol of abundance and financial stability. To harness the gourd's beneficial properties, it can be placed in specific areas of the home based on Feng Shui principles, such as near windows, doors, or in the health and wealth sectors of the home. These adjustments will help maintain a harmonious balance of energy, supporting both your financial well-being and the health of everyone in the house. Finally, it's crucial to pay attention to any water leaks in the bathroom or kitchen. In Feng Shui, even small leaks can lead to financial loss because water represents wealth. Therefore, water leaks symbolize money flowing away from you. This includes not just the leaky pipes, but also applies to the faucets that do not completely shut, or toilets that keep small amount of water flowing. First, and the obvious fix, is to repair the water pipes immediately. This may seem obvious, but many people just ignore it if the leak is type that does not seem to cause obvious house damage, such as dripping faucets. But these small leaks can damage your wealth luck even when they don't seem cause physical damage to your house. Fixing the leaks promptly is the most effective way to stop the outflow of positive energy and wealth. Of course, this also avoids any potential damage to your house. But if immediate repairs aren't possible, hang a gourd on the water pipe or faucet. As mentioned earlier, the gourd is effective in collecting money energy and can help prevent positive energy from flowing away until you can make the necessary repairs. By addressing water leaks quickly and using the gourd as a temporary measure, you can maintain the positive chi in your home and protect your financial well-being. So today, we looked at some of the ways you can remedy bad feng shui that may be causing you to lose money. Please like and subscribe to continue receive valuable feng shui tips. It really helps a small channel like us. We wish you and your home a prosperous energy flow.